Hello everyone and welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background music on your TikTok videos. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device and head down to the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Add Sound at the top of your screen. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now you can type in any song of your choice. Select the song of your choice by tapping the check mark right next to the song. Tap on the music icon at the top of your screen. Now you can see the song that you have selected at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the scissors icon right next to it. Now you can select the portion of the song that you want by pushing the track forward. Once you are satisfied, tap on Done. Now you can record yourself in the selected sound by tapping on the red button or simply upload photos or videos by tapping on the upload button at the bottom right of your screen. And that's it. This is how you add music to your TikTok videos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click on the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.